Now we will perform a pressure sensor test to verify the accuracy of the readings. There are two pressure cylinders. One has a gauge up to 6 bar. The pressure sensor is used up to 5 bar. The second one is up to 10 bar. Even up to 16, but we will use it up to 6. Our compressor no longer pumps. Both pressure sensors are connected to a sophisticated controller that was recently manufactured with advanced technology. Through these state-of-the-art controllers, via the RS-485 communication bus, the sensor readings are transmitted to a high-precision converter. This converter is then connected to a central hub, which subsequently establishes a connection to a laptop through a reliable LAN network. Here are our two pressure sensors, sensor 1, sensor 2. Now we will specifically look at the readings of the first sensor. Right now, at this very moment, the pressure is approximately 0.25 bar in the system. We currently have something remaining left here. So now let's turn it on. Son, turn on the compressor so the manometer shows us. Please, could you kindly turn it on now? I'll tell you when it's enough. Now it's approximately 5 or so, or something around that in the pair. The sensor currently shows a pressure reading of approximately 5.07 bar. Here is our manometer. We are gradually bleeding it down to a level of 4. There is a slight mistake, but as time gradually passes, it's 3.93. We continue to bleed 1 bar at a time. The number 1.9 is very close to 2. This means it is almost reaching the value of 2, but not quite there yet. Similarly, when we look at the number 1.85, it is slightly less than 1.9, indicating a gradual decrease. Moving on to 0.97, this number is less than 1, showing a significant drop from the previous values. As we continue this pattern, we approach a value that is practically 0, meaning it is so small that it is almost negligible. However, it is important to note that I also have a value that is more than 0 here, which indicates that it is not completely absent or null. This progression of numbers illustrates a descending trend, where each subsequent number is smaller than the one before, leading us to a point where the value is nearly 0, yet not entirely non-existent. This sequence can be observed in various contexts, such as in mathematical calculations, scientific measurements, or statistical data analysis, where understanding the significance of each number is crucial for accurate interpretation. That was, as you may have clearly observed, indeed the first sensor. Now we are currently in the process of turning on the second sensor. The current sensor reading is 0, and we are now proceeding to return to sensor number 2. This is crucial for further analysis and comprehensive data collection. The tank is completely dense. Similarly, up to a maximum of 6 bar,